Hi everyone. Tonight for supper we'll be having everything bagel roasted salmon. What we need for the everything bagel roasted salmon is 4 5-ounce salmon fillets, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon everything bagel seasoning. So let's begin. First thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 400. Take your 4 salmon fillets, lay them on a rimmed baking sheet on top of parchment paper. Take a small bowl, put in your 1 tablespoon of honey and your 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. And mix that up. Take a brush and brush the honey Dijon mustard mix over the salmon. And then take your everything bagel seasoning and sprinkle it all over the salmon. And turn them over and sprinkle the other side as well. Put your everything bagel salmon in a preheated 400-degree oven for about 12 minutes or until they are flaky. So here is everything bagel roasted salmon, and rounding out the meal is rice pilaf. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Is it salmon?
It is.
What's the seasoning on there?
Everything bagel.
Oh. That's really good. I like it.
Hi everyone. Tonight for supper.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Okay, thank you. Are you done talking to me now?
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.